Hey guys, welcome back to another how-to video. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to set custom ringtones for your iPad. I know it's been a long time, so I'm really sorry about that. But without further ado, let's get right into it. So for this process, you're going to be needing 3 apps: GarageBand, MP3 Converter, and YouTube. So what you're going to want to do is choose a song from YouTube and then take a screen recording of it. So I've already taken my screen recording, and the song I chose was Hedwig's Theme. So you could take a screen recording of that, or any other song you would like. Open up your MP3 Converter app, click the plus sign. Now, I've already done this process, so click the plus sign and add. I'll just do it again. So plus sign, add. It'll open this. It'll open this screen up. And click the screen recording that you took, click add, and just select it, and click convert. You'll get 2 options. Click default mode MP3. And while it loads, you can pause the video and just follow along. Okay, so now it's open. I'm going to close that ad. So choose your converted song, if I can. Hello? Okay, yeah. Open in, and save to files. Now you can save this, I'll save it to downloads. So now once you've saved it to your files, close out of that app. You're not going to need MP3 Converter anymore. You're going to need GarageBand. Now from here, click Create Song, and go into Audio Recorder. Now, you can see these bars right here. Right above where the 1 is, click this tab right here, and it'll bring you to the screen. Now, click this plus sign right where the 8 is, and that'll pull up song sections. So now, edit section A to be 30 bars. And there we go, 30. It'll automatically update. Now click loops and files. And so you can browse items from the file app, and wherever you put your stuff, it'll be there. But it also default creates another app or another file, MP3 Converter, and imported 3 items. You won't be able to do that. But converted, the one that we just did was minus 95. So it'll load in, and just drag that all the way to the beginning. Because if you don't drag it to the beginning, you'll have like blank space, which is like no sound for like when your start time to when your song starts. So be sure to do that. And then you can click make sure it's the right song, and take off the clicks if you want. So I'll do that, and I am done. Now click this page button right here where it saves. Now select that song and click share. You have 3 places where you can put it, so I'm going to click ringtone. And if this pops up, just click continue, because it'll automatically do what you need. Name of the ringtone, I'll just put it Harry Potter Hedwig's Theme. Hedwig's Theme. And then click done and export. So now once it's exporting, you'll be given some options of what you want. So it's ringtone export successful. You can click OK, or you can click use sound as. In use sound as, you can click it, make it your ringtone, standard text tone, or assign it to a contact. I don't want to do any of those things, so I'm just going to click done, and then click done here. Now go out of that and go into settings, and go into sounds, and your ringtone should be there. So there we go, there it is. So, yeah, that's basically it. And just close out all these apps. Okay, so that's basically it. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this channel. Bye!